you can have an impact the first day at your job. It's like, really? It's like, yeah. You can ask, why? Why do you do that way?
Mm-hmm.
And it forces the team to say, well, we've always done it that way. Like, why? I'm not challenging you. I'm not saying that you're wrong. I'm just
Right.
teach me why. And that forces the company to reflect a little bit and say, well, wow, maybe I ought to look at that.
Yep.
That's kind of outdated. We've been doing it for 3 years. Maybe we need to change. Well, I just came from Acme and this is the way we did it over there. I'm not telling you because I'm first day on the job, but what if? And it's that invigorating breath of fresh air, and at least it allows you to reflect and say, nope, no, this is good. This is a good process. Let's keep it. It's like, okay, teach me. I want to contribute.
Mm-hmm.
That oh boy, that relationship, being able to speak up, knowing that you're not going to get whacked by your boss
Mm-hmm.
if you bring him or her bad news or a question even.
Mm-hmm.
Just that partnership where you can ask me anything. Let's talk about it. Let's understand. I've got your back. Craig, come to me.
Mm-hmm.
It's that relationship between your immediate supervisor. So important. So important. It will help people stay at a company longer because, hey, I don't want to leave Craig. I've been with him for 30 years. He knows me. We work well together. I'm digging this. This is good and healthy.